Hi, I'm Jennifer Reed. Welcome to Eye on Celebrity. Miley Cyrus smoking out of a bong on her 18th birthday? Say it isn't so. A video recently surfaced of Miley doing just that, and all giggly afterwards. Sources are saying that she was not smoking marijuana, though. According to the source, Miley was smoking a natural herb called salvia, which is known for its psychedelic effects. And possession of the herb is legal in the state of California. Who knows? Maybe Miley needed the escape after all the buzz about her fiancé Liam Hemsworth. According to sources, on Oscar night, Liam hit the big pre-Oscar party at the Chateau Marmont, while Miley took her mom to Elton John's big Oscar night bash after working in the studio that night. The fact that the couple went to different parties separately isn't too big a deal, except that Liam appeared to be getting along quite well with a certain Mad Men actress at the party. Insiders say that Liam and January Jones definitely had some hot chemistry going on and were even spotted leaving the party together in the same car. So is the relationship with Miley and Liam on the rocks? Reps close to the couple say that Miley and Liam are stronger than ever. Guess Liam was just giving January Jones a ride home, probably to pick up some salvia from Miley. He's such a nice guy. Things just keep getting worse for Lindsay Lohan. Ever since her ex-assistant Gavin confessed that Lindsay, not him, was driving during her recent hit-and-run accident, new information has surfaced about the incident. It's now being said that Lindsay may have been drinking when the accident occurred. Law enforcement officers are saying that a bottle of alcohol was found next to the car and that Lindsay had the smell of alcohol on her breath. Maybe that's the real reason Lindsay felt the need to lie to police. Surprisingly, though, despite this little tidbit, prosecutors have offered her a brand new plea deal that does not include jail time. Instead, the Santa Monica City Attorney is prepared to offer Lindsay 60 days in rehab, which is 4 months less than what her jail sentence would be if she was found guilty. Some media outlets reported that Lindsay refused the plea deal. However, her lawyer says that's not the case. As it stands, the trial is set for March 18th. Aaron Spelling's widow, Candy Spelling, may be among some of the wealthiest in Beverly Hills, but she's now been labeled a squatter for refusing to leave her posh LA condo. And now the landlord is trying to evict her. Evidently, Candy's been renting the condo while her $47 million penthouse is under construction. And now the owner of the condo wants a judge to force her out. According to legal documents, Candy's lease was up on January 31st, but she's refusing to leave. Candy, however, is claiming that she extended the lease for another 6 months and has even already paid the rent for February. But the landlord is claiming otherwise and is demanding close to $1,000 a day that Candy overstays her welcome. When you think of Rihanna and restraining orders, somehow Chris Brown comes to mind. However, in this case, Rihanna filed a restraining order against an obsessed fan that tried to break into her house. Stephen Barrow was arrested last Thursday after breaking into the home of Rihanna's neighbor because he thought that was Rihanna's house. Rihanna claims in the legal documents that she now fears for her safety, and she has the right to be. According to Rihanna's lawyer, Barrow has been released from police custody and is nowhere to be found. Speaking of Rihanna and Chris Brown, Chris is calling the 2009 Rihanna beating, quote, the deepest regret of my life, unquote, and his biggest mistake. Chris says that Rihanna has forgiven him and that he worked hard for that forgiveness. Chris pled guilty to felony assault regarding the incident and was sentenced to probation and community service. Since then, he and Rihanna have officially gotten back together. In response to all the jabs directed towards him in the media, like Seth MacFarlane's during the Oscars, Chris says, quote, they don't know me. It doesn't bother me anymore. Other people can judge us, but they don't know anything, unquote. Real Housewives star Lisa Vanderpump was seen leaving a restaurant arm-in-arm with Bobby Brown Wednesday night. Lisa was just named as one of the 16 contestants on the upcoming season of Dancing with the Stars and is reportedly a close friend of Bobby Brown's. The dinner may have been something of a farewell before Bobby turns himself in. Brown was sentenced to 55 days in prison for his third DUI and has until March 20th to turn himself in to police. So while Lisa's putting on her dancing shoes, Bobby's going to be putting on those prison stripes. That's it for now. I'm Jennifer Reed. Keep your eye on celebrity.